Hey, what's up guys, Hunter the Turkish here, and today we're going to be playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. So, I've played Friday the 13th. I've played Bendy and the Egg Machine. I haven't finished Dark Revival. I played Ultimate Custom Night. Why don't we play something much more brutal? Oh, I thought I had the disc inside. I'm such a dummy. Well, a gun dummy also, but let me put the disc in real quick. Alright. I'm going to start up the game, and we're going to get started. And go. Oh. It's also made by Gun Media and Unreal Engine. It's the other people that were helping make this game. Looks like they're not Elphonic, because Gun Media and Elphonic made the Friday the 13th game. But yeah, a gun interactive consumer, nothing good. You're searching with Vortex in Paragon Films. Loading. Ho ho ho. Quick match, family, victims, create lobby, or join lobby. I'm just reading the tips quietly for some reason. I heard Halloween is just in a few days, which is just around the corner. So, happy Halloween, everyone. I'm gonna probably go pass out some candy tonight for the little kids, because our neighborhood's having it early tonight. That's why I want to get this video out, and that's probably why I'm gonna add like new like Halloween shorts to like my channel and stuff. Yeah. Why am I playing as this freaking like weirdo? How do you look at your stuff? Okay. But this new motherfucker that just joined named Sonny. I don't know if the suit's gonna be ready up or not. I'm gonna cut the video and come back when there's like 20 seconds left. So yeah, be back soon. As soon as I say that, the game starts. Alright. Let's do this.
Remains of an unidentified male have been discovered near Devil's River off Highway 163 in southwest Texas. A Cedar Canyon resident stumbled upon the scene while hunting early yesterday morning. Authorities have confirmed this is approximately the same location where 2 females were discovered last June. All of the victims were stabbed and strangled to death. Although the cases have similarities, investigators have nothing more to share at this time. The search continues in Huerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth clues. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. The brutal attack on 3 female college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year.
Oh, I'm hanging upside down. What the hell? Come on, come on, come on. Out. Uh-oh. Grandpa woke up, looks like. There's another friend that looks like a bear. How do you sprint? That's just how fast you can go. What is this? Use fuse box to open. Where the hell's the fuse box? I've survived for 1 minute. Wow. Alright, you go second, go. God damn. Oh shit, Leatherface! Oh fuck, I'm so dead. I'm so dead, Leatherface is about to kill me! Oh shit, it's Johnny! Oh fuck, I got killed. Oh. Oh. Damn. I just got executed. What the fuck? What game is this, bro? God damn, the hunt's over. Oh god, look at Leatherface. Wow. How did I get XP for literally doing nothing? Like, what the fuck? I didn't do anything. Alright, please let me be a fucking killer, please. I want to kill someone. The killer I really want to play as is Leatherface. Because obviously he's pretty fucking iconic than the other characters in this damn game. Kind of like how, well, you really couldn't change to really nothing except for Roy Burns or Jason in the other game. Because part 5 Jason is Roy Burns, which is the copycat Jason. Part 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the actual Jason. Ew, why am I playing as this dude? Or this girl, whatever. Fine, I'll play as this chick. I was hoping to play as like this weird dude named Leland, because he kind of looks like me a little bit. Let me know in the comments, have you played Texas Chainsaw yet? I'll cut the video and I'll be right back. Let's hope people don't join it like the last second. Whoa, this loading screen just popped up. Don't know why. It's taking quite a while. I just now got into a lobby. We gotta wait for another killer to join and wait for Leland to ready up. Come on. game's about to start with only 2 killers, it looks like. I really hope I'm a killer.
For a missing University of Texas student, the sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of
I really want to be a
last
killer.
seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle
That sounds wrong.
discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. New details have emerged in the grisly string of murders that littered Interstate 40 during 1971 and 72. Known only as the Terror of I-40, authorities say an unidentified woman
I like how this dude has to give so much commentary.
where she viciously murdered several truck drivers and 3 other young women along the route. Billy Jasper of Winslow, Arizona, claims he likely had an encounter with the assailant at his home over a year ago. Jasper says the young woman in her 20s approached his home seeking water and food.
The hell? Oh, Leatherface. Oh my god. Wait, am I the killer? Oh, god, the blood. I'm Leatherface. Hell yeah. What is this? What is this thing over here? Search? I think I know my way around this place when I was arrived earlier. Here we go! No more little hideout for them back here. Wait, did they go through here? Yeah, they did. Get back here. Victim noise of a woken grandpa. Uh-huh. I heard a noise right here. Well, that was calling me. Wow. This fucking basement's like a damn maze, bro. Oh, this is the hitchhiker, I think. I love the attention to detail that this one has. God damn it. Bro, I haven't even caught a single person. Someone kill somebody. Stuck in this goddamn basement. Someone has to be outside. Get me outside. I can't see a goddamn thing. Oh, the other victim got killed. I've just been really concentrating. What does this do? Grandpa is hungry again. I'm not surprised. Are these possums? Oh. Bro, y'all suck. Now I gotta fucking watch Cartoon Network Simulator again, but if it's just swing on this goddamn chain. I don't know what the last round was, but I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe. It'd be really cool if you gave me your subscription. Be sure to hit the bell and make it all so you get notified every time I go live, make a video, or YouTube short. I really enjoyed Texas Chainsaw. It was quite interesting, if I had to say so for myself. It's harder to catch victims in this game, because obviously in Friday the 13th, all you gotta do is like grab wherever you want, and just depend on where you're grabbing, you could pick someone up and kill them. In this game, you gotta actually like swing your weapon, actually like a good lick off of them, like a little taste off of the muffin, like, or like a Slurpee or whatever the fuck. But yeah, I might play some more Texas Chainsaw. I don't know if it'll be today, like during a live stream. I might think about making, or tomorrow. Don't know yet. But yeah, I gotta make another video after this. Oh, and here's the thing I forgot to mention at the beginning of my video. So if you don't remember, a few weeks ago or about a month ago, I uploaded a video of me reacting to like morbid for fun's like strangest TVs, like criminals or something. I forgot the thumbnail. Well, not the thumbnail, but the name, the title. Gosh, I'm so tired. I forgot the title, but he actually responded to me. Yes, the Morbid for Fun. I was kind of shocked at first. At first, I thought it was like one of those like fake accounts. I'd be like, "Hey, if you subscribe to me, I'll give you like $500." Like, no, that's a freaking scam. But now it's the real deal. I really like Morbid for Fun. I've been watching him ever since he made that one video of him talking about paranormal games you should never play. Let me in the comment section below if you want me to react to that one video. You know, I will react to that today. Super Bounding has made so many videos lately I can't keep up. And his two newer uploads will be the first ones to be uploaded, besides the 2 parts that he uploaded like 2 weeks ago. It's just because I don't feel like doing both of his parts like freaking like today, and plus I gotta get work done and shit after that. But yeah, I like Texas Chainsaw. We'll see what happens when I play it again. But anyway, love y'all, man. Peace out.